Ladies and gentlemen, Sky Sports proudly presents the most thrilling tournaments and spectacular sporting events the world has ever known. The electrifying... The captivating Cricket World Cup, the exhilarating EFL, the wondrous Women's Super League, and the one and only Premier League. All sports are a...
Over 18s only. T's and C's apply. BeGambleAware.org.
If you've lost £3,000 or more to a scammer, CEL Solicitors can help you get it back. Text HELP to 88.
The latest news you need to know in a jiffy.
The 100, presented by Compare the Market.
It's a music tournament with amazing cricket.
No, it's a cricket tournament with amazing music.
With explosions.
It means fireworks.
And huge fiery shooting things.
It means flame machines.
There's also amazing DJs and big foamy pour things.
It means... Oh, actually, there are those things.
And best of all,
The world-class cricket?
is that we are the sponsor.
Oh, of course.
The 100, presented by Compare the Market. Simple.
Good afternoon, it's Joe Russell. Are you ready for another set of lunchtime anthems from Go West and Leonard Skinner on your radio, mobile, smart speaker, and our break free on Greatest Hits Radio Premium.
Across Manchester and the Northwest. This is Greatest Hits Radio.
Some breaking news at this hour. A former couple have been jailed for life with a minimum of 63 years for murdering a dad of two who was shot and doused in acid in Wigan. Michael Hillier carried out the attack on 38-year-old Liam Smith in Shevington last November, whilst his then-girlfriend Rachel Forstow helped plot the killing.